guys, on my way to another shoot. This time it's up all the way up there near Zimbabwe side, that bridge side. But I've decided to bring someone with me. Hello Enzo, come. Enzo, come, say hello to everyone. Yeah, how's it everyone? Yeah, it's a good boy. Yeah, good kisses. Alright, so Enzo and I are heading out. Wait Enzo, I'm going to talk to them, wait. Yeah, so we're heading out to go and do a shoot. But whatever we get along the way, we're going to capture. So today I'm going to go to a little place. It's a dam out there. I think it's called Albacini on the way, going through Louis Tricot. And there's the tunnel, and maybe Chappies, and maybe hit some baobabs. But let's see what the day delivers. I'm on the way to Elim, and I found this little spot on the side of the road. It's a fresh fruit and vegetable place called Modolo Tuko. Yeah, let me just show you what it looks like. Okay, and this is Samson, who owns the store. Samson, what are you doing on the side of the road here?
Just helping people on the road when they go up and down, and then looking for food sometimes.
Is it?
Yeah.
And how busy is your place?
No, well, it's busy, but not so much. Because it's only people here and inside there.
Okay. Yeah. But you're on the main road, it's not dangerous. Is this your house here?
No, my house is inside the...
So this is your shop?
It's just, yeah, she's here just make for the people on the road.
Awesome. And how much money you make here a day?
It's just about 300-400.
Ah, that's good. That's good to earn a living. That's nice. Let me show the guys where it is. Here we go. Guys, check here. So this is the main road in the middle of nowhere. Okay, what is this now?
This is Coke, cold drinks.
Yes, okay, good.
Cold drinks inside, and some eggs.
Eggs. And your grocery section here.
And washing the sugars and the soap. And
your portable battery power here. Right, and this is the front. You're looking out towards the people. Hey, that way. Does someone stay as well?
No.
And when you're tired in the day, you're not rest?
In the day, I'm resting here, not sleeping all night.
Okay.
It's just only for the day if I'm tired. Just.
And do they ever rob your store here?
Excuse?
They come here to steal your stuff or not?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Hopefully ever.
They never stole anything.
Awesome. So how old am I? Well, I'm not going to tell you, but anyway, I'm old enough and I've never seen how anyone grows peanuts. And this is his little farm in the back of his store. Okay, so there's a little pot of peanuts.
Yeah, this is the one I cooked.
You cooked it already,
yeah.
Samson? And what is this? But take it out, let's see how it works. Let's see that. Okay, so that's what the peanuts look like.
Yeah.
Incredible. Yeah, well, then what do? You cook them, do what?
I'm cooking them off. I just put on the sun to dry, and then I take the things outside, and then sometimes I cook and sell.
Great. How much you sell a packet for peanuts?
5 rand.
5 rand. And how long does it take to grow them?
It's about from December, then now.
Hey, it's too cheap then, eh?
Yeah.
We're going to try them.
Yeah.
Samson, watch this. So here it is. Okay, give me one of them. Let me just try one. Just show him what you do. Okay, so you pop that open.
Pop it out.
All right.
Like this.
I want to taste it. Yeah, hold the pot. Lekker. I want to try this one. That one's not as nice. This is nice. That's delicious. Oh, look what I've just done to my shoulder. Well done. The black of the pot all over here. It's alright, this is what happens. Thank you very much, that's very nice, thank you. Alright, let's go. We're gonna go head back out. Okay, so he just digs them out from in his garden, dries them up, and then sells them in his shop. Alright guys, we're walking back to his store, and on the way you can see he's actually stopped here. Yes, some butternut. Oh, pumpkins and butternut as well. Yes, some subsistence farming. Well done, eh? And I'm glad I stopped here. Can you eat it like that, or must you cook it?
I must cook it.
You must first cook it, otherwise it doesn't taste nice.
Yeah, if it's dry, I can take this out and plant again.
Alright.
It's hard, I can take them out and plant again.
Do you not have a problem here with baboons?
No, not yet. Yeah.
Not yet? They keep away from the area?
Yeah, because I'm here all the day. When they come, they run away.
Thank you very much, Samson. So how awesome is that little spaza shop on the side of the road? It's between Elim and Enzo, do you know what the name of that place is? Yeah, okay, yeah, it is. It's Makada. Between Elam and Makada. And yeah, I had to just find out what he was about, what he was doing, and how he was earning a living, and what a lacquer guy. Well done, Samson. Hope you get some business. Finally, you need to make some big money. Maybe you should open up a spa. We arrived at Albacini Falls, potholed road to pieces. I managed to get some shots on the drone of Albacini waterfall. Well, the damn wall flowing over. And then I came to drive here to come and take some photographs just down the river here. Wanted to take some photographs around there. And guess what? The sluices have just been closed. Where Enzo's lying there now, a few minutes ago, it was flooded. I'm gonna make my way into Louis Trichardt now. I hear there's a beautiful blue gum forest there. So I'm gonna go and take pictures of that. But how disappointing is this when you want to take photographs? It's just like a switch, gone off, and there we go, sluice is closed. Photographs closed. Thank goodness I got a drone shot. Yeah, and here it is, to prove it. Next stop, no cooking clue. If something was worth stopping for, we'll do it. Take some photos, take some video. I've arrived at my accommodation for the night. And man, is this place stunning. The bedrooms are just as nice as this. Yo, okay. I did phone a guy called Luke when I was on the way here. I'd already booked and paid. And he said, no, Pierre, it's a dive. So I said, let me go check it out. And when I got here, I thought, whoa, okay, the room's nice. It's pleasant. Yes, no cockroaches, no nothing. But the opportunities, the photo ops, I'm staying here. There's no chance I'm leaving. Okay, in the background, there's an old Willis Jeep and old school classrooms, and it's just magnificent. And you can't actually see, but behind me is a massive mountain. So I'm right at the top here. It's called the Mountain Inn in Louis Trichardt, and the scenes from the top here looking down into town is amazing, but that's not what I'm after. After some lacquer landscapes. Enzo and I got up early this morning and we decided to hit the mountain to see what we can find, and got greeted by this beautiful scene. Nice and eerie with all the rain and the windscreen. It's all the mist. There we go. Nice and clear for you. Some beautiful scenes around here, huh? I'm just going to walk past the car. How beautiful is this? Oh, untouched. I've stopped here because it's a bit of an untouched area, and I love this little road that leads all the way, going left, going right, Pierre. Yeah, all the way up there. And no cars have driven. It looks beautiful, so let me just take a nice little photograph of that scene. I'm going to stop and take a photo here. If you look at this path, it is mud. It is that red clay. So as I'm driving, I'm just slipping. So that's what the tires look like. Yo, they are clogged. It is just mud. They're round. There's no tread left. There's nothing. So a little scary. Oh man. Here again. No tread, nothing. I'll get out of this. Right, just check at this tire. Okay, that's at about 240, 230. Yeah, I'm gonna take it right down now. So my vehicle is fully equipped with pumps and compressors and spare batteries and everything to be able to handle this, and it's a 4x4. But my gosh, this is frightening. Alright, I don't know if it's worse or better, but man, I'm turning the steering wheel all this way to the right and it's still guiding me on the left hand side there. Oh gosh. We're sliding into there. Oh gosh, please don't do that. Please, no. It's sliding all the way. Right, check this. My back has just come right out. Oh my word, this is scary, guys. This is so scary. I'm not happy about this at all. My car is just sliding into this embankment on the left. It is terrible. I'm just doing this very, very, very slowly. This is bad. Check these rocks right here. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to maybe phone someone and stop here, because I don't know when this thing actually starts leveling out and going onto some rocks. But yeah, the car's sliding in and I don't want to scratch it as well. Oh, there we go, into the embankment. We've actually stopped here. Oh, please go, please go, please go. Whoopsie, whoopsie. I don't know what to do. That's it. The vehicle's listing to its left-hand side and I'm just sliding and sliding. I don't want to go to this side because I might fall down here. But yeah, look, just check these tracks. Look at this. It's just sliding in here and it just slides and digs in here. Digs in, digs in. Oh man. It's not too nice. A little scary. Oh gosh, I think I'm just going to scrape some of the mud off the tires and then try and get down to this little section, because this looks a little bit rockier. If I can stick in this for a little while and then maybe make it. All I can say is we made it. We're still on the dirt, but yeah, it's much, much better. And what I need to do, these tires are not mud tires, and I don't like mud. I like rocks, stones, not mud. That was very scary. Decided to head through the tunnels of the Soutpansberg mountain to find some respite from that thick mist and the mud, and I found it. Yep, we're here at the Hendrik Verwoerd tunnels and we're now in search of the giants. Yeah, I hope they're not in leaf. Some guys at the bottom of the tunnel, let's go. There's Enzo on his leash. Down below the tunnels I found some people, saw them walking, and I decided to head back through the tunnel and find my way down to where they were. Enzo's finding the way for us. If it wasn't for these people behind us, now these guys here down below, I would never have found this beautiful little scene. I'm at the bottom of the waterfall, but I made a crucial mistake. Remember, I dropped my tripod, and you know what I did? This tripod here does not have a head on it. So what's the point? So the only way to do it now is to place your camera steadily on a rock and then expose like that. So to get the photograph, I've had to do this without the tripod head. I've got another L bracket, lifting it up like that, wallet on this side, and there's the scene. Although it is a concrete structure, yeah, it's going to be pretty nice anyway. And I'm not going to take the drone up. I'm not taking that up. Too much wind here. No way, and it's too narrow. Let's go. You see me right? Guys, the bridge I had to cross to get here is like this. It's broken down. It's terrifying. You thought this morning was bad. So I'm just gonna go fast through here. Okay, hopefully we don't slip. Yo, hit that side. It's made it. Enzo, what's there? There's monkeys. You see, stand up. There's monkeys. Hey, look what he's doing. You see all those monkeys? I'm trying to find my way to the Nzileleni Dam, and this is the little track I found, and I don't know if I'm going in the right direction. Look at that giant at the top there, just seen that. That is beautiful. This is a private farm. I did open a gate, but I must try and get out of here again, so just make sure that it's not too technical. It's just rocks, but absolutely a beautiful part, a beautiful, beautiful place. I'm definitely at the wrong place. I'm just leaving my vehicle there. Yeah, you can see there's no road. There's no road there anymore. I mean, maybe 20 years ago. So I can hear some more. I hear some water down below. So I'm gonna just launch the drone there and see, because the dam wall should be just there, man. It's about half a k away. I think we're on a game reserve here, so it's a little bit dangerous as well. Crocs as well in this water. I'm seriously out of luck today. Driven a half a tank of petrol out to try and get to this dam, and I'm not going to make it. Check here. Look at this lock. Double lock. Not even a spliced link like before, and another gate with the same name. So yeah, we are locked out of this dam wall. It's just beyond there. I'm finding a lot of baobabs on his property. Maybe I'll stop and take a photograph of one. I have tried to call him, but if you with Telkom, doesn't help. No reception out here. So a little bit of a tough one for me today. I did get a nice little shot of the drone, but far away. But I was in between a canyon, so you actually can just take it straight up. You can't go too far left and right, otherwise you lose your signal on that drone. Alright, heading back, but maybe stop for a baobab or two. That's quite a nice baobab, but a little Jojo makes it look quite ugly, eh? Walking back to the car, I see a farmhouse. They jump in, jump, boy. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and try them, see if they can offer some help. I want to get to this dam wall. It's a pretty nice dam wall. There's the house, and there's no one home. Got a nice little baobab at his house as well. So I met the farmer, and you're only allowed to get there via Department of Water Affairs, but he says it doesn't also go to the dam wall itself. He says there's another one, but you have to get through about 4 or 5 gates, and they're all locked, double locked. So I've asked him if he's got any baobabs in his property, and he's directed me to lemon fields. Yeah, so some lemon fields, and he says go in there. There's about 4 nice baobabs in there, so they're unique. Guys, I found a giant. Let me just actually walk further away from it. Look how impressive that one is. That is ginormous. Just go up there, and you know, the nice thing about it is they haven't been vandalized. No graffiti, no writing all over them, no engravings, no carvings. It's beautiful. But to try and take a photograph, you see the light's actually falling nice on it. Let me get my camera quickly. But yeah, it's best to do it with the drone, eh? Wind will let up for a few seconds. Just want to say that was a successful day. Nice day. Started off in the mist, sliding down in mud, and ended looking for a dam, and finally we got the giants, the giant baobabs. Enzo just jumped right out of the window to come and see where I am. I'm just doing a closing link, Enzo. Alright, cheers guys, hope you enjoyed it.